Couples Negril is situated on 18 acres of lush greenery and exotic gardens that includes numerous species of palms and flowering shrubs. We boast the largest beach area on the Negril Strip, which happens to be the best place to view the sunset. We have several ponds which contain tilapias and Japanese koi, a variety of birds and lizards that contribute greatly to the natural paradise at Couples Negril. The hotel has 234 rooms, which include suites, beachfront, garden, and ocean view rooms. Our housekeeping room service is from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. daily, and turn-down service is from 6 p.m. to 10 p.m. Other room service options include stocking of minibars from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Please contact our operator to have your minibar restocked. Continental breakfast is offered 6:30 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. Ensure that cards are filled out no later than 1 a.m. and placed on the door outside. Please let your room attendant know if you have any other special needs. The front desk is opened 24 hours, where our warm and friendly staff awaits you. Our front desk will arrange transportation to the airport for all departing guests. Leave all bags outside the room half an hour before departure, or bellmen will pick them up. Please have all valuable items with you. The bureau is open daily 9:30 a.m. to 3:30 p.m., where our team will be happy to assist with changing your currency into local currency. We can also assist with your credit card advances. Wi-Fi is accessible on the entire property should you need this access. Please see our front desk agent. Feel free to take advantage of our internet cafe that is located opposite the Lychee restaurant. Our games room includes a mini library, pool table, board games, slot machines, fresh popcorn, and it's the ideal place to watch your favorite games. Also located in the games room is an ATM machine which dispenses only US dollars, a maximum of $200 per transaction, with a service charge of $6 per transaction. Our guest relations desk is located on the swing deck. We are open 8:30 a.m. to 6 p.m. This is the official information center of the resort. Make your reservations here for a fine dining restaurant. Reservations are done 2 days in advance. Guest relations also handles our romance rewards and repeat guest program. You can enhance your vacation experience by booking one of our romantic private dinners. Celebrating a special occasion? Then take advantage of our celebration packages. Our attendants will be happy to assist you. There are 3 gift shops located on the property that boast a variety of authentic Jamaican products. Last Lick, located in the lobby. This carries the best local crafts and ceramics. 100% Blue Mountain coffee and liqueur. Shades, also located in the lobby. Shades Boutique is our logo and jewelry store, which also features men's and ladies' beachwear, casual wear, and evening wear. The Beach Shop, located on the beach next to the reggae bar, carries a variety of sundry items. Jamaica is one of the most beautiful islands in the Caribbean, with a rich culture and vibrant people. Come and experience more of what this island has to offer. Our tour desk is located in the lobby across from our front desk, opened 8:30 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. Our agents eagerly await to assist you. Our tour desk is located in the lobby across from our front desk, open from 8:30 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. Our agents eagerly await to assist you. The Oasis Spa and Salon, a sanctuary for mind, body, and soul. This is located on the western side of the property, amidst the tranquil setting of the ponds. The Oasis is open from 8 a.m. to 7 p.m. We offer a wide variety of spa and salon treatments. Come visit our spa. We're waiting to pamper you. Our fitness center is open 24 hours with a wide range of equipment. Upon request, our resident gym and aerobics instructors are available for personal training. We also offer yoga, aquasize, body sculpting, and other fitness programs. We boast 4 hard tennis courts where our resident pro and visiting tennis pro eagerly welcomes you. Our resident tennis pro offers private lessons Mondays to Fridays from 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. and 2:30 p.m. to 6:30 p.m. Saturdays 8 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. Our visiting pro offers group lessons, namely advanced, intermediate, and beginners. Tennis rackets and balls are available at the spa desk for use at an additional cost. For all your fitness needs, please visit the spa. Our resort photo shop is located downstairs next to the Cassava Terrace and the Oti restaurant and is open from 8 a.m. to 10 p.m. daily. We offer a variety of photographic souvenirs. We also offer boudoir photo shoots. Save the date and trash the dress photo sessions at an additional cost. Our wedding photos are done to perfection, and the wedding video is a must-have with your choice of DVD or Blu-ray format. Your vacation is never complete until you try our complimentary sunset and portrait sessions. There are 4 restaurants on property. The Cassava Terrace. We are open for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Our open-air dining experience at the Cassava Terrace has a variety of fresh tropical fruits, juices, cereals, pastries, and delicious hot dishes which are made to order. Dress code is resort casual and no reservation is required. Beach cover-up and footwear required. Continental breakfast is served daily 5:30 a.m. to 7:30 a.m. Full breakfast 7:30 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. Buffet lunch from 12:30 p.m. to 2:30 p.m. And dinner is served from 6:30 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. Monday night features an international buffet. Thursday nights, it's our beach party night. Come and enjoy our elaborate setup on the beach, a Jamaican buffet, and the best entertainment of the week, complemented by our dance party on the beach. Saturday night is our gala buffet with dining options on the pool deck. Tuesdays, Wednesdays, Fridays, and Sundays, a table d'hôte dinner menu is served. Oti restaurant opens 6:30 p.m. to 8:45 p.m. and closes on Thursdays. Oti, named after the Jamaican apple, denotes the quintessential authentic Caribbean dining experience in an intimate and elegant setting. Reservation is required and your dress code is cocktail elegant. No jeans, jackets optional. Our seating times are 6:15 p.m., 7 p.m., 8 p.m. and 8:45 p.m. Tableside salad service is offered. The Lychee restaurant opens at 6 p.m. to 9:15 p.m. and closes on Mondays. Experience our Asian cuisine served in a casual, chic ambiance with a view of the open kitchen. Watch our chefs create your favorite dishes. Reservations are not required. The Heliconia Restaurant Grill. Feast on casual fare featuring grill salads and Jamaican delights during the day. Dinner. Sample grilled specialities and Mediterranean cuisine at night under the stars. Opens at 6:30 p.m. to 10:30 p.m. and closes on Saturdays. No reservations are required. The late night snack counter. This starts at 11 p.m. and goes up until 5 a.m. daily and offers a limited menu. Coffee and juices are available from self-dispense units in this area from 11 a.m. to 11 p.m. daily. At Couples Resorts, we ask our guests to follow our simple dress codes. During the day for dining, men are required to wear shirts and females cover-ups. All guests are required to wear slippers or sneakers when dining, no caps allowed. In the evenings, the dress code for the evening is casual elegance, except for the Oti, where no shorts, sneakers, or t-shirts are allowed. Dress sandals and slacks will do. There are a total of 7 bars on property that offers a wide array of cocktails, daily specials prepared and served by some of the most talented bartenders in Negril. Our piano bar is located in the lobby and opens at 6:30 p.m. for our happy hour, with featured entertainment, special cocktails, and hors d'oeuvres. Beach bar opens 10 a.m. to midnight. Pool bar opens 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. Cool down at the pool and swim up to the bar and have a drink. Other bar locations are Nude Beach Lychee Service Bar and the Otiiti Service Bar. For entertainment at Couples Resorts, Couples Negril offers one of the best entertainment package you can find in Negril, with something for the young and the young at heart. Its foundation being embedded in the rich culture of the island. Join us in the daytime for our Jamaican cooking class, rum and coffee class, or come and learn about the rich and diverse culture of the island. In the evening before dinner, toast to the gorgeous Negril sunset and enjoy the sweet melody of our saxophonist at Sunset Toast, or make your way to the piano bar and enjoy musical selections or live entertainment at our themed happy hour. For water sports, our certified and well-trained water sports team will take you on a memorable journey with something for everyone. Water Sports office is open from 9 a.m. to 4:30 p.m., where they offer glass-bottom boat rides, water skiing, snorkeling, sailing, windsurfing, non-motorized activities, beginner's dive, intermediate, and dive master. Couples Negril is committed to becoming the greenest and safest hotel in the Caribbean. At Couples Negril, we recognize that our business has an important role to play in protecting and enhancing the environment for guests and residents of Negril, Jamaica. Everyone's input is critical in achieving this objective and must believe that their ability to make a meaningful impact by encouraging and following the hotel's environmental policy as well as the department's best practices. Couples Negril is Earth-Checked certified, now uses a salt-based chemical to treat its swimming pools instead of chlorine, has installed water fountains throughout the property so as to eliminate the use of bottled water, uses energy-saving low-watt bulbs throughout the entire property, do dives to help the eradication of the lionfish, have herb gardens from which the herbs are used in the hotel's kitchen, has a compost heap. We also have a towel and linen policy in which the guests indicate when they want their linens and towels to be changed. While staying here with us at Couples Negril, we implore you to try one of our inclusive excursions. Visit our craft market for your locally made craft items, jewelry, or take a trip downtown to Jimmy Buffett's Margaritaville. The Issa Trust Foundation. The Issa Trust Foundation was established in 2005 as a non-profit charitable organization by the Issa family, owners of Couples Resorts. The foundation has donated millions of dollars in the form of medical equipment to local hospitals and clinics. The foundation has provided hundreds of children across the island with basic school supplies and worked with the local international environmental agencies to help preserve our local reefs, rivers, and beaches. Upon arrival, a cost of $5 is automatically charged to the guest account as a contribution to this worthy cause. While checking out, guests have the right to refuse this additional charge.